Good morning. Positive for today. Have you experienced the unlikely friendship? Ito yung you didn't expect to build, pero nabuo. Kahit magkakaiba kayo ng personalities, preferences, upbringing, tapos nung nagsama kayo, bigla kayo nag-jive. What I love about this kind of friendship is that kapag nag-share ka ng stories, issues, struggles, no judgment. Kasi walang over-familiarity. Makikinig lang sila, and they will just be there and comfort you. And exciting kasi dahil magkakaiba nga kayo ng personalities, magkakaiba-iba din kayo ng mga sinusubukang recreations, mga pupuntahan, at na-explore mo yung sarili mo. Kaya ang positive ko for today is also treasure this kind of friendship. Unexpected, unlikely, na bagamat magkakaiba-iba, yung kulay ay nagkakaisa, yung ugali ay nagtutugma, may bago tayong natututunan. At may bago tayong nararanasan na magpapalago ng ating sariling pagkatao. Love, love.